Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your engine air filter for a Subaru Outback. First, gather your essential tools, a Phillips head screwdriver and your brand new engine air filter. Make sure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine completely off. Now, open the hood and locate the air filter housing, which is typically found on the passenger side of the engine bay. This simple preparation ensures a smooth replacement process. To access the filter, you will need to unscrew the 4 or 5 Phillips head screws that secure the air filter housing cover. Once all screws are loose, carefully lift the cover. This will reveal the old, potentially dirty engine air filter nestled inside. Before you remove it, take a moment to observe its exact orientation. This small step is crucial for correctly installing your new filter later on, ensuring proper airflow. Now, gently remove the old engine air filter from its housing. You might notice it is quite dirty, which is perfectly normal. Before inserting the new filter, take a clean cloth and wipe away any dust or debris accumulated inside the housing. This ensures a clean seal for your new filter. Finally, carefully place the new engine air filter into the housing, making sure its orientation exactly matches the old one you just removed. With the new filter in place, it is time to secure everything. Carefully replace the air filter housing cover, ensuring it sits flush and seals properly around the edges. Then, reinsert and tighten the 4 or 5 Phillips head screws until they are snug. Avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. Finally, close your vehicle's hood. You have successfully replaced your engine air filter, and remember to dispose of the old one responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.